I leave you with three things as a human being para buo ang pagkatao ng isang Tarlakenyo. Keep in mind ang kaalaman, ang puso, at ang katawan. Kaalaman, importante, nag-aaral kayo. Puso, dapat tama ang puso, mabait, magdasalin.
Hello, I am Mariela Cafina Zabala from Tarlac State University po. I am a nursing student and nasa convention hall po tayo ngayon para kumuha po ng payout. As a nursing student, yung scholarship is a great help for us, lalo na sa mga RLE po namin para po mabayaran. Sa workloads po namin, hindi na po namin kailangan isipin yung mga babayaran sa school. Nakakatulong po siya ng marami. And maraming salamat po sa scholarship na natatanggap po namin. Pinapasalamatan ko po ang ating mayor na si Susan Yap dahil po sa mga scholarship na natatanggap po namin, mas bumubuti po and gumiginhawa po yung buhay namin as a nursing student.
And that is what the culture I want to bring down sa city. That government programs, projects does not need any backing. It is there for you. If you deserve it, you're worthy of it, then you can avail of it. Keep your minds knowledgeable, have critical, analytical minds, have a kind heart, be true to the word empathy sa generation nyo, and then take care of your health. So as you go through life, mas maganda.